Hydroponic red guanyan bamboo tutorial is here. Remove soil and trim the roots of the red guanyan bamboo. Gently squeeze the sides of the plastic pot. Once loosened, take the plant out. Rinse off all the soil thoroughly. Do not leave any soil behind. Otherwise, soil-borne diseases and microbes in the debris may cause base rot and other issues during the induction of aquatic roots. When organizing the root system, if there are small shoots or soil-grown roots under 3 centimeters, avoid damaging them. These old soil-grown fibrous roots must be pruned in 2 stages because they cannot adapt to the low dissolved oxygen environment in water. They will rot and breed fungi once exposed to water and provide no value for hydroponics. After trimming the roots, rinse off any remaining soil again. Make sure it's completely clean. Since bamboo-type plants require heavier root pruning for hydroponics, too many leaves would burden the plant's nutrient system. You can trim 1/3 of the top stems. Side branches in the middle do not need trimming. Choose a slightly deep planting basket, 6 to 8 centimeters deep. Shallow baskets make it difficult for the bamboo to sprout new shoots. Because bamboo's aquatic roots are generally thick, you can cut spaced openings at the bottom of the basket. Thread the remaining roots of the red guanyan bamboo through the bottom holes. Due to the tall plant body, rocks alone may not keep it stable. Use zip ties or wire to secure it. Then add rocks. If there are new shoots, be careful not to crush them. Use stones sized 1 to 2 centimeters for filling. Gaps from overly large stones are not ideal for the growth of future shoots. Since bamboo aquatic roots mainly grow from the base of the col, these soil roots serve no purpose and affect the plant's appearance. So after stabilizing, do a second trimming. Water and wound control for red guanyan bamboo is different from other plants. Its leaves hold very little moisture. Avoid direct light for 2 hours and allow 2 to 3 centimeters of water at the root. Otherwise, the leaves will dehydrate, curl, and dry. For the first week, avoid strong light and mist the leaves daily. Curled leaves can recover in just 10 minutes after misting.